Sheriff-Büro here, 20.
Turn the car off!
Manchmal braucht es nur einen Moment der Unachtsamkeit, um eine ganz normale Fahrt in einen Albtraum zu verwandeln. Fond du Lac County, Wisconsin, 21. Juni 2025. Ein Deputy der örtlichen Sheriff's Office erhält einen Anruf über einen Raser, der mit überhöhter Geschwindigkeit durch Rosendale fährt und rote Ampeln missachtet. Auf ländlichen Straßen stellen Geschwindigkeiten von über 100 Kilometern pro Stunde, gefährliche Überholmanöver und das Missachten von Stoppschildern eine echte Bedrohung für die öffentliche Sicherheit dar. Der Beamte weiß, dass er handeln muss, bevor jemand verletzt wird. Der Beamte lenkt das flüchtende Fahrzeug zur Seite, bringt es so außer Kontrolle und drängt es in ein Straßenhindernis. Durch ein perfekt ausgeführtes PT-Manöver wird der Verdächtige gestoppt und unter Kontrolle gebracht.
Hands up! Get hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You're gonna get bit with a dog! Put your
Sheriff-Büro here, 20.
hands up! South of Ende. We've ran them multiple times. Get the out of the car! Back up, back up, back up, back up.
I didn't copy it. I heard something about RAM.
He's trying to ram him. South of Ende.
I'm calling Blair. Coming with the TPD.
We're gonna get tased. Turn the car off! I don't care! Turn the car off! Do it now! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! He's still trying to get away. Sheriff 53, we got get the car turned off, starting an ambulance. Look at his pacemaker going on. Grab this hand. Oh my God. Get out of the car! pacemaker. Oh my God. Oh, my pacemaker's going off. Oh my God, my pacemaker's going off. Oh,
Put your hands on your back.
my pacemaker.
Put your hands on your back.
My pacemaker's going off.
Now.
The pacemaker's going off. Oh my God. I'm sorry, this is not me. Somebody can control my pacemaker. Oh my God.
You alright?
Oh,
Einer, you good?
it's still my pacemaker's going off.
Check the dog. Go ahead.
Oh God.
What's your name?
He
changed his pacemaker's going off. Get him on his side. He didn't do that until we stopped him. Okay. Sorry, so I was going to tase him.
Ambulance, please, my pacemaker.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
God.
going, yeah. Let it go, buddy.
Oh, I do have a shirt.
Congrats. That doesn't explain all this driving behavior, does it? No, probably not.
Oh,
You're gonna kill somebody, dude.
I'll spend all the drugs that you can fucking. Oh my God. Report, and you'll see. Yeah, that's what you're gonna see. Oh my God.
Check your dog. He's good. He tried jumping out before. Okay.
Oh,
What's your name?
I found a gun.
He's trying to go backwards on 41, so I said a random. No, that's fine.
RO Stephen Treehouse. I didn't check his other side. It's
Steven,
Ah,
what are you doing today?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I was headed to church, and then something took over me.
The devil took over you?
I swear to God.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah. There's something on his arm. Yeah, he's got like a patch. Probably pacemaker or something. Oh, I think his phone was in that. He threw one foot out the window.
one squad with the cage, and then we'll take a second squad, self-load location just for traffic.
What is it?
Yep.
Yeah. Steven, stand up for us. All right, buddy, we'll get you up. Yep, sit up. Yep. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up and walk. Walking. Getting kicked out. Yeah, I don't care. Come on, let's go. Keep walking. Sit mal der Tibi, nicht da. Sit down.
Es wurde festgestellt, dass der Verdächtige Steven Juhas, ein 49-jähriger Einwohner von Ripon, ist. Ihm wurden folgende Anklagen vorgelegt: Gefährdung der Sicherheit ersten Grades mit Vorsatz, Flucht oder Entkommen vor einem Beamten, mit Körper- oder Sachschaden als Folge und Widerstand gegen oder Behinderung eines Beamten. Juhas erschien am Mittwoch vor Gericht und es wurde eine Barkaution in Höhe von 50.000 US-Dollar festgelegt.